Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for joining me in the shop today. Today we're going to talk about things I buy at Dollar Tree all the time for my woodworking business. They come in really handy, they save me a lot of money. I hope you save money using these tips as well. So first thing I like to buy, I just stocked up yesterday, are these foam brushes. There's 8 in a pack, different sizes. I like to apply paint or finish with this. Paint or stain in the corners mostly. Most of the time I'll use a rag or a paper towel to apply the finish, but these work really well. Great deal. The other thing I like to buy there is these assorted sizes of brushes. There's 3 in a pack, small, medium, and large. I usually buy 5 or 6 packs of these. Sometimes, like in the fall, it seems like they're out a lot. But these are really popular, work really well. Now if you're making candle holders, there's a safety issue with real flame candles around wood. So I like to buy these battery powered tea lights from Dollar Tree. So give those a try. They're much safer, they're cool to take pictures with, and people seem to like them. Let me know if you've ever used these before. Now I've got a laser, so what I'm going to be doing this weekend on my live on Sunday at 2 p.m. Central, I'll be making a rubber stamp for my business. It's My Honey's Handmade, so I'm going to have my logo and say thank you or something like that. And I'm going to make the wood pieces myself, but this is a stamp pad, an ink pad I mean, at Dollar Tree for $1.25. When I was there yesterday, they had black, green, and red, and I chose black. So this will come in really handy, like if you're doing shipments. Like I have an Etsy store, so I'm going to add this to my Etsy packaging that I make. But also, if you're doing craft shows, this would come in really handy. You could get some of those cheap sandwich bags at Dollar Tree, stamp your business name so that when you give a bag to someone with a piece of product you sold to them, it's got your company name on it. And someone's like, hey, where'd you get that? And you're like, oh, I got that at My Honey's Handmade. So really cool idea, really cheap marketing, really cheap marketing for your business. What else do I have in here? Now these are little, I think they're cups. What are they? Yeah, I think they're cups. I've bought these for years. There's 12 in a pack. These are over at the plastic plate area. They have plates, bowls, things like that. But I buy these to pour paint in or to pour stain in when I'm staining or painting a piece. Instead of dipping my brush in the can of paint or stain, you're kind of contaminating it when you do that. So I like to do this. If you guys have ever used straws, these work really well to get glue out of the cracks when you're doing a glue up. You can just scrape that along the edge and it really works well. So I buy a pack of these, cut them into 2 or 3 inch lengths, and these last for a long time. Now the last thing I've got for you, this is in the area in the store where you're going to find the paintbrushes. This is double-sided tape that's already cut for you. This stuff works really well. I use this for template routing or flush trim routing, meaning you have a pattern and you want to stick, like if you have a pattern cut out and you want to make all the pieces the same, you'd stick the pattern to the piece of wood you want to cut out. Then it just sticks on there. And then that lets you route it out. That's my new Win tool, but yeah, it's stronger than you think. Yeah, it takes a lot of pressure, and that's cardboard. So hey guys, that's it. A quick video this week. Appreciate you liking and subscribing. On Sundays, 2 p.m. Central, I usually do a live. This week in the shop, we're going to do a laser demonstration. We're going to make something on the laser. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.